My name is Jason Esche. I'm shop foreman here at Volvo Cars Princeton in Lawrenceville, New Jersey. I started at Volvo in 1995. I was 18 years old, pretty fresh out of high school, and just had started in this automotive program at the local college. And that's when I started my career here. Been with the company now for 30 years. Grew up on a farm, and my whole life I was kind of tinkering with things. A lot of stuff got taken apart, not so much put back together. My poor mother, I remember rebuilding carburetors on her dining room table. But that's basically what started the whole thing. It got all the juices flowing for me. And then from there, it just kind of took off. Growing up in the Princeton area, we were flooded with Volvos, and crazy enough, they were all from here. You're not just a number with Volvo, you're part of a family, a greater family that really makes a difference. So right now I'm driving an XC90 because two things. I go on the beach every weekend and I like to fish. I know I can take this car on the beach, I can drop the tire pressure down and we're going fishing. It's a great car for that. I know I can throw my family in it and be safe. I don't have to worry about that. And it's solid. I mean, it is literally a tank. Just look at it. I honestly have to thank Volvo Training for getting me where I am today. I feel accomplished, I feel like I'm helping people out for sure. I feel like that's making a difference. But for me, it's also the sense of pride in knowing that you figured something out. You're trying to understand the vehicle better, you're trying to understand what you're doing better, and once you've mastered that, then you want more. So you keep looking for the next thing that's going to challenge you in working with vehicles. For me, it's, okay, let's work into the EV stuff to really expand your horizons and keep you interested. 30 years ago, everything was mechanical this, mechanical that. Now we've added a lot more electronics, a lot more software. Everything now, we can add 100 horsepower to a car just by, programming some software into it. It's absolutely insane. Electrification, I think, is what's really kept me in the field currently. It's a completely different way of thinking about things. It's a completely different way of working on things. For me, it's been a really good move forward for Volvo in getting into this market. 100%, I get a huge sense of pride from seeing the vehicles that I've worked on, knowing that I've done my part in keeping them on the road and keeping the customers safe and moving on with their lives. It's a solid car. I mean, I drive one myself, my family drives one. It's something that you get into this thing and it's gonna keep you as safe as it possibly can.